Alright, so the plan was to put the spark plug wires on today. And then, you know, whatever. I could use them until the headers arrive. But that's not going to work. They will fit with the headers, but they won't fit now. Next, moving on. So I bought a throttle controller from, what's it called? From Tough Car Parts in Australia. Oh, sorry. In Tough Car Parts from, they're in Australia. So, EVC, that's what we got. Throttle controllers. Let's see what I can do here. Any room? I don't want to drop you, but at the same time I don't want you looking at my mouth. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see. Sorry. Oh boy. Open it together. Not bad, a little cute thing. So I have to find a place to mount this. All it is, yep, oh, yep, it is identical. So all it is this little controller that plugs into with a four pin into. Where is it plugged into here? Find a place to mount this, and this fella right here. How in the world? Oh, yeah. So I was trying to figure out under my car how does the connector come off, because I couldn't figure it out. Well, luckily it's the same connector, so I can just look. It looks as if you pull the pin. Aha! Got it. So you pull the pin here, plug this in. Yeah, plug this one here into your pedal, and then you plug this one into the connector like this one, and you lock it in place. And then you'll wire this in, run your little wire, and find a nice little place to mount your throttle controller. Did I need this? No, I didn't need this, but you know, I was watching 4-wheel drive action on YouTube, and it's what it sounds like. They use 4-wheel drive cars. And I was, back when I had my Mercedes, I was like, oh, that would be cool to have, you know. Of course, I didn't make it for the Mercedes. But now, meaning that this car, this Caprice, is made, it's the same thing as what was it? A Statesman, a Holden Statesman, and the Holden Caprice, which is the top of the line model. I wish I had the bumpers it has. So luckily, this has the same controls as the Commodore. Thank you very much. This is from this is from Tough Car Parts, I believe. Tough Car Parts, yep. Now I found them on eBay, but they also have a website, just, you know, but you gotta find them in the .eu. But yeah, I ordered this maybe 2 weeks ago, and it came already. Maybe 9 days ago. Well, it's close to 10 days. Yeah, it was $245 in Australia, so it's $190. I want to put this on so bad, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get underneath the car. Not under the car, but underneath the seat without busting myself. So it's between putting on the throttle controller. Mind you, this car has a disabler, so that was my top thing, if I'm going to use OBD2 or not, because I don't want to take out the disabler, because then I got to do a whole delete kit, and I don't want to do all that crap. At least not right now. Alright, so here's my thing. Do I want to start breaking off the exhaust, Or do I want to do this? I think I want to do this. Alright, I'm going to take you off. I don't have a flashlight, I don't think. But you're going to come with me. So, we're going around. Oh, I got this light. Oh, that's bright. Bright in the eyeballs. Ooh. Whoa. For what I'm doing, that little Harbor Freight light works great. Hello. And I'm doing this and I'm not gonna know where I'm sitting. What has to be done here is right up. It's gonna be hard to show. Let's see if I can get in there. So here's the throttle, and here's the connector up here that I have to pull out. It's fairly simple. I just pull the connector out of the throttle, the gas pedal, plug in the connector, and then, you know, and then route. I think that's going to be the first thing I do is, see, here's this, this is range technology. You know what's up there? The range technology disabler. I like it. It actually works very well. There's one thing I do want to note. For this being a, how do you say? Whoopsies. For this being a non-Chinese company, I'm very happy with the instructions. You know, I understand how it's. Before I bought it, the people at Tough Car Parts were very helpful at explaining to me how it's going to be done and all that stuff. So I don't have to worry about it. And with them being in Australia. Sorry if I can't say it properly. For them being in Australia, it's pretty. So I used to contact them when it was easy for me, but you know, they still responded top notch. So what I'm saying with this, so this explains exactly what to do, you know. So see, it'll 10 minutes, shows you detailed pictures, and then it'll explain to you exactly, you know, operation, how to troubleshooting, warranty. I'm very happy with this product, and I didn't even install it yet. I've heard nothing but good things with it, so this is what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take this little guy with me, and this, and my Gatorade, and we're gonna go find a place to put it. It comes with sticky tape on the back, but we'll see. We'll see if it gets very sticky or not. All right, let's see what we can do. 3D printed cup holder. That's not gonna help. Alright. So, looking at this, I have to find a place. I have to find a place to put my little controller. So, I can't put it down here because that's where my magnet goes. This used to be a switch for the flashers. So I don't know if I want to cover that, reuse that. I can just point it out here, or sneak it out through here, down here. I don't know yet, because I do have a button to reactivate the switch for the flashers, because they're still in here. They're for off-road use only, just to say, just like the siren is. Or not the siren, but the horn. I'm going to put it right here. You know, just tape it up right there. And the cable's pretty long, so you don't got to worry about having enough cable. Because then once you have this guy, this one here is going to plug into the gas pedal. Oh, let's see. You see, that's the connector. And then that connector is gonna plug into this guy. And then that 4 plug is gonna plug into this guy, and then you're done. If I didn't feel like I was falling apart from my body, I would have been done already. But that's alright. This is gonna be part 2 because I don't really feel like doing my exhaust today. So I did the throttle controller. We'll see how it is after. It's 10 o'clock at night. I don't want to open up the door and deal with whoever's outside. So far, it turned on. Program. Car reeks of gas, but it always does. Yeah, so I don't want to do this inside. I want to open the door. And plus, I still want to do the exhaust. I might start it, but it's a pain in my ass. So, gotta take off those 2 rusty bolts. I can't even see. And push it down there. Hopefully those pop out without breaking, because I don't have an extra. Then I gotta do the same over there. I don't know, I might try. That's a big exhaust difference compared to, this thing's so big compared to what's gonna be on here next. Some nice tailpipes and straight pipes. I'm putting the Solar Performance axle back on here, so this is gonna sound kind of mean at the end. Alright, well it is the next day. Alright, this is my controller. You can hear the car. After it cooled down, you know, after it started running, it went back to normal. So we're off right now. I'm gonna rev the engine. Alright, that you hear. We're gonna go to 5. This is this is economy. You hear it takes a little while to hit the gas. Alright. Down. Ultimate. Ultimate 1. We're gonna go to automatic real quick. Automatic. That sucker hits quick. I'm barely tapping the gas. So it's gonna get some play. I might have to play around with this. So we're gonna go back to ultimate. We're gonna go to 5. Oh yeah, that sucker's that's quick. So far, initial, it's working. I don't see no problems with it so far. I'm gonna take it for a ride after I do my exhaust, but whew,